Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting high-quality chocolate and chopping it consistently. This controls melt rate and prevents scorching. Place chopped chocolate in a dry, heat-proof bowl and reserve about 10 to 20% whole pieces for seeding later. Once done, set up a gentle double boiler or low-power microwave with 10-15-second bursts. Make sure to keep water below the bowl rim and avoid steam contact with chocolate. Moisture will seize it. Move now to melting, watching temperature closely. You melt gently, stirring frequently to distribute heat and break down crystals. If using a double boiler, keep the bowl off direct water and stir until mostly melted. Residual pieces will finish with gentle residual heat. If using a microwave, pulse 10 to 15 seconds and stir thoroughly between bursts to avoid hot spots. Make sure to monitor temperature with a thermometer. Dark chocolate around 45 to 50 degrees Celsius. Milk or white slightly lower. Once mostly, you now stabilize the chocolate so it sets shiny and snaps. Use seeding by adding reserved chopped pieces and stirring until cooled to working temperature, or spread and cool on marble for tabling. Make sure to reheat slightly to the final workable temperature, just a few degrees, to avoid remelting wrong crystals. Once tempered, use immediately for dipping or molds. If the chocolate seizes or becomes grainy, try adding a teaspoon of warm neutral fat per 100 grams, or melt a fresh batch and restart.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.